Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Hope you all are fine. This is the morning time, early morning. I am recording this video. Today I will show you how you can create a slideshow behind the text. Let's start our video. Before starting a video, as usual, I request you to subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Let's start our video. I again go to Canva. Select the design like video and select the dimension. And this is our dimension, and you first of need elements. Go to elements and select a shape. Give it black color. Now you need a text. I wrote here Pakistan. Now change the font. I select enter. Like here. Go to effects. Shadow. Little bit. Download. Select PNG. Increase the size and download. Again upload. This one. I don't need of it, so I am deleting it. Edit. First of all, remove background. Go to edit. Do tone. See blue. I will need this. Now come to that second page. Go to elements. Select any 3, 4, 5 as per your requirement. You can select the images and drag the design over here. Okay, go to position, click on layers. Here is, come to this layer. Again go to elements, select a shape, change the color to black, set it over here, go to position, click on the first layer, and duplicate the page, reduce the time. On the second page, click on this layer, this layer, move to here. Now come to the second layer, duplicate page, click on this layer. On the third image, the background color, you can change the background color to, the Pakistan color is green, so I will use the green color. Okay, change all. I don't need this page, so I'll delete this one. The time to transition, increase the time. Here is the final result.